Hey, what's up guys? It's been a solid, I don't know, a year maybe or since I made the last video. I don't know, I don't remember, but I've been modding the Z since it came out of storage. Yeah, get put on the spot. Yeah, it is on you. Alright, so I installed a front lip a week or two ago because I blew up the Moose bumper. Don't ask why or how. But yeah, it's blown up, so no more Muse bumper, and at least for now until I can get another one. I just bought side skirts from Racing Bees, so we're gonna be installing those today. Oh yeah, me and my friend Dean also rent a shop, so yeah, I got a shop now. I don't know if I've even filmed there or not, but yeah. All right, so we just got our hardware for the side skirts, since I'm too low to use the self tappers. I'll catch you guys at the shop.
Yeah. Logan, where have you been?
Sorry, I don't talk to fans.
Fans.
Yeah.
I'm a fan.
Yeah, girl fan.
Girl.
Number one fan.
Girl. Friend.
Maybe, I guess.
Pardon?
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, you are. You think we're straight?
I don't know, will you?
Hope not.
We'll get it.
Excuse me. Didn't you know that I have priority?
Oh.
Big killer. Oh, there might be a big bump here.
Uh-oh.
Fuck!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so we just got to the shop after getting pulled over, but again, for like the 7th time this year. No front plate again, but I think I might actually put it on this time because these tickets are getting annoying. I didn't get one this time though, thank God. But we got the car jacked up. Can't decide if we're gonna take the side skirt off and like do it properly with nuts and bolts, or just self tap it to the side skirt. I don't know. But we got the side skirts right here. They're from Racing Bees. I think they're called like CS or something style. Yeah. I'll get back to you once we get the side skirt off or I start drilling. One of the two. Okay, so we got the side skirt on this side, but I'm too low to get the jack out. Even with wood, the side skirt just hits the jack. So I'm gonna raise the rear a tiny bit. Just a smidge, because I like being low. But yeah, guess we'll try and figure that out. But we did it with just the self tappers, because I didn't want to break the clips for the side skirt. We started pulling it off. The first clip that I pulled snapped, so fuck that. So now they're self-tapped on, so we'll see how long they last. Hopefully a long time, but they seem like they're on. They look pretty sick. Give them a nice view from the front to the back.
Nice.
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 Yeah, so I'm gonna adjust the coil over and then I guess we'll see how it looks. Alright, so both side skirts are on. I adjusted the rear ride height on that side by whatever the diameter of this is. I think it's like a 1/4 inch maybe, or 1/8 of an inch. It didn't really do much, but it's a little bit. I just want my exhaust off fucking banging the ground. But yeah, this side, a little bit sketchy. They gave us 12 self-tappers, and I used 7 on that side without thinking, and only used 5, so it's a little wobbly, but I'm gonna buy more self-tappers tomorrow, and just literally put a fuck ton in. But yeah, I'll show you guys once it's all lowered, I guess. This is annoying. Yo, what's good guys? It's like 4 or 5 weeks later since the side skirt video, but I never filmed an outro, of course. Nothing new. But yeah, I'm gonna start bumping out more YouTube content. Hopefully, she's been editing. So hopefully I can at least put out a video a week. We'll see. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, run it up. Maybe sub if you want to watch more. Peep the TikTok, who knows. But yeah, expect more content from the Z. Maybe the boys builds, we'll see. Peep the Hot Wheel collection. But yeah, that's it. Peace out.